Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at where you can buy trending memes coins safely in 2026. So before we dive into this, if this is the first time coming across to this amazing channel, do want to subscribe, like my videos, share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. Now let's look at the crypto market. Let's look at where we can get safety way to buy trending memes coins. Here are safe and general review of how people buy trending memes coins in 2026 and what you should carefully consider before doing anything. Meme coins are extremely risky and volatile. Values can go up and also can go down. Alright? So without waste of time, let's quickly look at where and places people can buy memes coins. Memes coins can be bought in a reputable centralized exchange which is known as CoinX. These are platforms with a lot of users and also stronger security. Okay, before doing all of this, you must understand that the particular exchange you're using must have a strong security and must also have a lot of users and must also have community review, a reasonable one. Okay, which is why quite often I talk about CoinX. CoinX offers many major memes tokens like Doge, Shiba, Pepcoins, and others with easier buying and also selling. I choose CoinX for trading meme coin because it is known for listing new meme coins quickly and also has a meme trending mode. Okay, looking at this meme coin, a lot of people dive into it to trade, and trading on the CoinX are always also reasonable. Each time you look at those meme coins, they are full of ups and downs. So view the candle safely and start trading. So trade your memes coins safely in CoinX. So trading memes coins in CoinX is very simple. All you just need to do is to verify your identity, known as the KYC, and set up security features like two-factors authentications in order for you to continue trading your memes coins on CoinX with a reasonable profit. So without waste of time, let's move to safety. Things you must consider before trading memes coin in any exchange. Alright, and these are things that I have also considered before trading memes coin on CoinX. Even with legit platform, memes coins carry a very huge risk. Yes, the CoinX is legit, but you need to make a research of the particular memes coin you wish to buy so that you can be at safety. So you need to research before you buy. You look up the coins project. Okay, look at the info, the team transparency, and also look at the team's activity before buying. You need to also check a tradable firm platform like large exchange, which tend to screen listing more. Okay, so you need to avoid promoted through DMS or unfamiliar groups. You must not buy memes coin through all of this. Okay, look at the major security steps before you can start trading memes coin. Okay, because meme crypto markets are very volatile. They're full of ups and downs, which you all know about it. Okay, so always enable strong security. Now you need to protect this your memes coin after purchasing them or before purchasing them. You need to always enable strong security 2FA on your account. It's very important. Okay, use platform with a strong security, which is why I talk about CoinX. That's a strong security, and also it dispute response on time. Customer support are always available. Okay, so use platform. Okay, never share your own wallet seed first. If you created anyone, never share your own wallet seed first, because when you share it, you get to lose your crypto coins and you cannot hold that particular exchange responsible. So be cautious with new coins because many meme coins suffers rogue. Alright, suffers rogue. Sometimes they goes down and then are coming up. So before buying any particular memes coins, you must make your own research, Look at it very well. Okay, look at the security steps. Majorly research before buying is very important. So, without a waste of time, in a nutshell, before you buy any crypto memes coins, you must research before you buy it. And before you trade any crypto memes coin, you must look for a reputable exchange like CoinX. Okay, CoinX is very simple to use. It is users friendly. So all you just need to do is navigate yourself to your Play Store, download your CoinX. If you are doubting it, look at its community review and also look at how long it has been there in the market. So download it carefully. Make your own sign up. It's very simple. I'm going to drop another video that talk about how fast you can sign up. Okay, so stand by, and the video is loading. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being with me from the beginning to the end. I will see you in my next class. Don't forget, trade your memes coins here on CoinX. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next class. Bye.